Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This is a Sterndrive model, so I'm going to go ahead and start in the back of the boat. We did option it with the brown flooring. Back here we have the sea deck that's built in. We also have the manual submersible swim platform. That's one of the biggest benefits of getting the Sterndrive versus the outboard model. You get this entire swim platform area, and with just a little bit of effort, you can drop that platform down in the water and have a nice little step. Right over here, we have a four-step stainless steel ladder. Thing I like about this boat versus some of the other models is it's up top, so it's easy to access and deploy into the water. But great overall entertaining area back here. With that being said, we have a nice seat right here. Just imagine you can pop this up, sit down on the seat, hang out in the back while everyone's in the water congregating, having fun. You have a place to be out of the water and still be a part of the action. Under this compartment right here is your battery and your battery switch. There's actually two batteries in here, excuse me. Storage area right under my feet right here, and a nice step down into the boat. We do have a door here, so we can close this off, so if you have any small children or pets that you want to keep inside the boat, make sure they don't, get out of here. Definitely helps you keep everyone inside. But besides that, we have a built-in cooler under here. We have the removable cooler right over here. And back here, we actually have additional storage. So there's tons of storage throughout this boat. You even have additional storage under here. The motors in here. I believe this boat has the 250 horsepower Mercruiser in it, so plenty of power. Besides that, this boat is fairly well optioned out. We got the sound system upgrade, the highest horsepower capacity we could have, the tower with the Bimini canvas up here, the 9-inch touchscreen display, which has all your information on it. So it's going to have your engine information, your navigation, chart plotter, all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and do a dual screen right now, even though the transducer won't be working because we're out of the water. But once this loads up, we're in a metal building, so it takes a little while. You can see right here, we have the maps of the lake that we're on, and it has all the US lakes built in here. So if you decided to trailer this boat to, say, Florida, for example, it'll have the preloaded information already in there. And that's another huge benefit of being with MarineMax or purchasing a boat through MarineMax. Not only are you going to get the very best service here in Houston, hands down, especially with me as your sales rep or any of my coworkers, they're all great. But say you did want to go on a trip, you can take this boat practically anywhere from here to New York, and you're going to have a MarineMax close by that can take care of your service and warranty needs. So jumping into a few other things, we do have the blue LED light package throughout. So there's a few lights underneath the seats and in the cup holders. We do have a lockable storage box right here, or glove box if you'd like to call it that. We have additional storage down here. Again, storage throughout the entire boat. Actually, there's storage right under here as well. That's your ski locker, so you can fit skis, deflated tubes, things like that in there. Now up front, Sea Ray redesigned this not too long ago to where they have an anchor locker up there. So we have a designated spot for your anchor to be mounted and stowed when it's not in use, but when it is in use, it has plenty of room for the anchor, the rope, the chain, all that good stuff. One of the other options, or two of the other options we selected on this boat, was the bow filler cushion, but also the upholstery upgrade. So if you notice right by those speakers, there's upholstery all throughout that. If you look at some of the other models, it's going to have just the raw white gel coat there. The upholstery upgrade really gives definitely a more luxurious feel to the boat. One of the things I'll point out is if you don't get that upholstery upgrade, the upholstery stops right about here. And again, it's just going to be this white gel coat. Same thing throughout the rest of the boat. So it's definitely something that not everyone knows about, but with the expertise that you get here at MarineMax, we know all those key features, and we'll make sure you're aware of everything and what you're getting and getting the best bang for your buck. So you guys, my name is Billy Foulkes. I hope to see you sometime soon. I'd love to go over boats with you and my experience and make sure you're buying the right boat for you and your family. So give us a call anytime or definitely come in and see us. Thank you.